Alright, so we got breakfast here. Got 4 eggs and 4 turkey sausages. And water. Alright guys, it's getting late, but I just wanted to make my video for today. Don't really have much for you guys. I don't really have much to say today, but I just want to talk about something that's been on my mind, something that keeps coming up. I just want to say to everyone out there who wants to control other people's lives, telling people what to do, just please stop. No one wants to hear it. Just do everyone a favor. Don't tell other people how to live their lives. Don't tell other people what to do, what not to do, how to spend their money, how not to spend their money, what to buy, what not to buy. Just please stop. Do everyone a favor. Just no one wants to hear it. Several things keep coming up. Different people in my life, I guess you would say. So it's just not something I want to deal with. So just please stop. No one else wants to hear it either. So anyways, that's about it. Basically the rest of my day. I stayed up really late last night. If you care. Other than that, I've just been watching TV shows and playing some video games today, so just want to upload a short little video and let everyone know what's been on my mind, and I hope you guys had a good day. If you're stopping by for the first time, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. Bye.